All right, everybody, warning you, this problem is pretty tough, but it will help you with the last problem on your Alex assignment. So when you're looking at this, the issue is none of these variables are really close to being alone. They all have coefficients. So you really just got to pick one. I'm going to pick this y. I'm going to try to get that y by itself. So what I'm going to do first is I can subtract 5x from both sides. And that'll look like, subtract 5x like this on both sides. I'm just going to erase that, though, so it doesn't look in the way. Over here, it'll look like this. It'll be 3y equals -6 minus 5x. Now, y is still not alone because I have the 3, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Everything gets divided by 3, so I get y equals -6 over 3 is going to be -2. And -5x over 3 is going to be -5/3 x. Whoa. -5/3 x. Now, this isn't very nice. It's almost in slope-intercept form. If you do want to put it in slope-intercept form, you can. But like I said, you don't have to do slope-intercept form for the substitution method. But the nice thing here is I do have y all alone. So I know if this y is equal to -2 minus 5/3 x, and so is this y over here. I'm taking information from the first equation and plugging it into the second equation. So that's going to go in right there. And when I rewrite that second equation, I'm going to have the 2x minus 3, but I'm replacing y with -2 minus 5/3 x equals 27. Now this equation only has an x in it, so I should be able to solve it. I'm going to distribute. I'll get 2x. -3 times -2 will be +6. What's nice about this distributive problem, the -3, I'm multiplying by something that's over 3, so this is like going to cross cancel. And I'm going to get like a -1 here. So this is really just -1 times -5, which is a +5 x equals 27. So if you're not sure what I did right there, I was multiplying -3 over 1 times -5 over 3, and then I just put the x on. It's just multiplying fractions. Still solving this equation. 2x and 5x makes 7x. Bring down the 6 equals 27. Subtract 6 on both sides. And I get 7x equals 21. Divide both sides by 7. And I should get x equals 3. So all this work was just to get one of my answers. I still need to figure out what y is. So I know the x coordinate will be 3. I still need my y coordinate. So what I do is I go back to one of these original equations. Doesn't matter which one, I could take the 5x plus 3y equals -6, this one here, I could take this one that I isolated for y. I'm going to take the bottom one, 2 minus 3y equals 27. But now I know x is 3. So it's going to be 2 times 3 minus 3y equals 27, which would be 6 minus 3y equals 27. Subtract 6 on both sides. Sorry, I'm running out of time here. -3y equals 21. Divide both sides by -3, and you would get -7, and this would be my